flexion. Flexion will be in the base of the
Sacrum.
sacrum. We have to catch bottom of the sacrum. We have to stabilize here and take it in this way. Huh? For counter nutation, sacrum will be
In
backward.
extension.
That is why what I am doing, I
Bending
am
and upward.
bracing like this. Okay, this is the position of sacrum. I am bracing like this, and I am taking this way. Okay. This is for
Nutation.
this is PI ileum, this is AS ileum, this is for nutrition, this is for counter nutrition. Hand must be like this way. This is up, this is
Counter
back,
nutrition.
this is the way.
Counter nutrition.
Okay. This one. This one. This one. This is for
Counter
counter
nutrition.
Most of the patients you will get only PI, AS ileum and lumbar, not for this. Again we have a different techniques for this. For counter nutation, what we can do, lie down prone position, counter nutation in backward. You can go for sacral pumping up. We tested for spring tetanus, same position, but we must go for CPR technique.
Sacrum.
What will happen here? Between three positions. Then one more thing, there will be a activation of system, ANS, autonomous nervous system, sympathetic and sympathetic. Sympathetic where it lies, sympathetic thoracic. T1 to T12 or L1. Parasympathetic, cervical, higher cervical and diagram. As if we are activating parasympathetic. This is the technique. Counter, forward, counter, just we are pumping the side.
Nutrition.
Or you can come up. Counter nutrition correction. Particle.
It's another way of counter nutrition.
অর্থে তো না ভাই এটা সেটা একটু মানে পুরাই ভাষা করবো হেঁটে ভালো
If it is nutrition again, I'll have nutrition control nutrition. Both we can do in this. But for sacrum, more than correction, we need to go through mobilization and muscle energy technique. That will give proper result. Can it give the if we handle patient in a harsh way, there may be chances of fracture anywhere.